Hello there, welcome to the Krossroads Commerce OS YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to create and process transactions using Krossroads Commerce OS. Using the checkout screen, begin a transaction by adding items to the shopping cart. To add an item to the cart, simply click on the item in the checkout screen. After adding an item, you can then use the Add and Subtract buttons to adjust the item quantity. To manage cart details efficiently during the checkout process, you have the option to pin the cart details view on larger screens. Here's how. Click the cart icon to open the cart details view. Then simply double-click the pin icon, located in the header of the cart details view, to pin it to the checkout screen. If you need to unpin the cart details view, double-click on the pin icon again. It's important to note that the pinning and unpinning functionality is exclusively available on larger screens and not on handsets. If you have many items, and wish to quickly locate a particular item, you can use one of the following methods. In the checkout screen, the fastest way to locate an item, and also add it to the cart, is to use a barcode scanner that is attached to your device. When a barcode is scanned, the item associated with the barcode will be located, and then automatically added to the cart. If you scan the same barcode multiple times, the quantity of the item will be increased by 1, for each scan. If you do not have a barcode scanner attached to your device, an alternative approach is to use the onboard camera on your device. In this case, select the Scan Barcode button. Then use the camera to scan the barcode. Note that on a device with a smaller screen, such as a smartphone, the Scan Barcode button is not immediately visible. You can access the Scan Barcode button by using this Options field. If you have grouped your items into categories, you can also use the categories to filter the items that are displayed. To do this, click on the Categories button. Then select the category of the items you would like to see. After filtering items by category, you can clear the filter by clicking on the Cancel icon attached to the category. Finally, you can quickly locate an item by using the search function. Click on the Search button, then enter the title of the item you want to locate. Aside from adding pre-configured items to the cart, you can add custom amounts by typing them in. To do so, click on the Keypad button. Then using the numeric keypad, enter the custom amount. Click the Add button to add the amount to the cart. If you wish to apply discounts to all items in the cart, click on the Discounts button. You will be presented with a list of available discounts, as shown here. Click any of the listed discounts to apply them to the cart. If you wish to apply a discount to a particular item, rather than to all the items in the cart, I will show you how to do so later on in this recording. You can optionally assign a customer to the cart. This is entirely optional, unless you are creating an invoice. For invoices, a customer has to be assigned to the cart before the invoice is created. To assign a customer to the cart, click on the Options menu on the top right of the screen and select the Assign Customer option. A screen with the list of customers will be opened. You can use this screen to select an existing customer or to create a new customer. To quickly locate a customer, click on the Search button, then enter a search criteria to locate the customer. You can locate a customer by entering all or part of their name, email or phone number. After you have added items to the cart, you can further customize each of the individual items within the cart. To do so, click the cart icon at the top right of the screen. In the cart details screen, you can adjust the quantity of the items in the cart using the Add and Subtract buttons, as shown here. Or alternatively, you can type in the item quantity and click the Save icon to set the quantity. You can also use the trash can icon to remove an item from the cart. To adjust a particular item, click on the item to open the item details screen. In this screen you can adjust the item quantity, add a note to the item, and for customizable items, also adjust item modifiers. You can also customize the taxes that are applied to the item by turning specific taxes on or off. Similarly, you can add or remove the discounts that will be applied to the item. If you make changes to the item and wish to undo them, click on the Reset button. Otherwise, click on the Save button to save the changes. When you are ready to process payment for the transaction, click on the Charge button. A screen with available payment methods will be displayed. Proceed to select the payment method that will be used for the transaction. If paying by cash, enter the amount of cash provided by the customer. You can use the shortcut buttons to quickly enter the amount received. Then click on the Pay Cash button to complete the transaction. If paying by card, click on the Card Payment button, then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the payment. After the payment has been processed, the receipt screen will be displayed. You can email the receipt to the customer by entering the customer's email. Note that if a customer was previously assigned to the cart, and the customer has an email on file, the customer's email will automatically be displayed in the receipt email field. Simply click on the Send button to email the receipt. Finally, if you would like to view the details of the concluded transaction, you can use the Options menu on the top right to navigate to the transaction. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.